Hello everyone, this is my video for graphing inequalities on 2D planes, so let's get started. First we have y is greater than 2 over 3x plus 1, and since this is our y equals mx plus b formula, this will be m, our slope, and this will be b, our y-intercept. So first, let's graph the y-intercept. Since it is positive 1, we will graph 1 along the y-axis. Now I can graph our slope. The number in the numerator is the amount of units we will go up or down depending on whether it is negative or positive. And since it is positive, we will go up 2 units. And now the number in the denominator is the number of units we will go left or right depending on whether it is also negative or positive. And since it is positive, we will go to the right 3 units. And that will lead us to our second point. And if we do this one more time, we go up 2 units until the right 3. We get our third point. And since our inequality does not include equal to, we will graph this with a dotted line. And now to decide what side of the line to shade on, we can pick any point on the graph, and these two come 0. This being x, and this being y. If we plug this into our equation, we get 0 is greater than 2 over 3 times 2 plus 1. This becomes 4 over 3 plus 1, which is just 3 over 3. And then we get 0 is greater than 7 over 3, which is not true. Therefore, we will shade it on this side of the line. Now moving on, we have negative 2y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4. And the first thing we need to do is isolate y. So let's divide by negative 2. And since we're dividing by a negative number, and this also applies for multiplying by a negative number, we need to switch the sign. So now we have y is less than or equal to 3 over negative 2 x plus 2. Now we can start graphing. So first, we should graph our y-intercept. Since it is positive 2, we'll graph right here. And now I can graph our slope. First we have positive 3, so we will go up 3 units. And we have negative 2, so we will go to the left 3 units. That is our second point. And if we do this one more time, we go up 3 units, to the left 2 units, and get our third point. And since our inequality includes equal to, we'll graph this with a solid line. Now to decide what side of the line to shade on, we can pick a point. I will use negative 1 comes 0. This being x, this being y. If we plug this in, we get 0 is less than or equal to 3 over negative 2 times negative 1 plus 2. Oops. We get negative 3 over 2. Oh, we get positive 3 over 2. So we get here. So 3 over 2 plus 2, which is 4 over 2. We get 0 is less than or equal to 7 over 2, which is true. Therefore, we will shade on this side of the line. And that is all the practice problems, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.